So you get a bunch of fixings. I decided to use my own because I wanted some black stainless steel. You get 3 crown fixing brackets, and then the lower fork mountings. I'm going to put in like the assembly instructions with this as well, because you know you can pause it, take a screenshot or whatever. I think that'd be pretty handy. Nice thing about these, they got a little touch there, the logo. I quite like that. And obviously the drop out mounts as well. Nice to actually see some physical paper instructions versus some web address and go online. So that's a nice touch. Right, so all you're really going to need to do, depending on what rack size you have, okay, is just to fix your side stays, and they're labelled F on each side. Left front, right front, and then you're going to have to sort out what drop out bracket you're going to want and what fork crown bracket you're going to want. And as I say, they give you all the bolts you're going to want, washers, nuts, light bracket, just tells you everything you want on here. It's all really self-explanatory. What I'll do is I'll skim over it, and then you're just going to have to pause, alright? That's all this video is about. Stick these up on there, assembly instructions, and then you can see what it's all about. Because let's assume you purchase one of these second hand or something, and someone might take it apart and it arrive flat pack and you don't know what to do. We get that. Hopefully this works. So there's that, and then obviously the exploded view there. You can see 1, 2, 3, whichever ones you're going to need. You're just going to have to line it up. Just do kind of bolt it up, but don't do the bolts up tight, so it's, you can move it around. You want to get the crown mounting in first, fork crown mounting, and then secure this bit. And basic tools needed. If you want to ask any questions, feel free to do so. But what I'll do, I'll take a screenshot of this. You might be able to like zoom in or something.